Hi, my name's Charles and I'm one of the maths teachers from the Maxim workshop. I'm just going to now teach you how to do some maths. Hi, I'm going to show you how to calculate your heart rate. Now, in health and fitness, heart rate is considered something to be a good measurement of how fit you might be. You might want to consider trying to have a heart rate around, say, 60 beats per minute, and that's considered as being healthy, okay? Now, athletes go lower, and the more obese or unhealthy you are, your heart rate goes up. And it's a measure of how hard your heart has to pump blood around your body for obviously respiration and energizing your cells. So I'm going to show you basically how to calculate your heart rate. Now if we denote heart rate by HR, we're going to see that it's simply something that you have to do by measuring. I mean, there are some equations out there, but obviously what you want to do is get your own heart rate, and an equation will only give you, say, the required amount for a certain health bracket. So what you would want to do is first of all calculate your heart rate in 1 minute. I'm not going to do that now, but what you would want to do is select an area where you have a pulse reading. So this would probably be on this side of your palm here, on your wrist, sorry. And you stay there for, say, about a minute. I mean, sometimes you even get a vein popping through your skull here, and you might even just want to put your finger there. I mean, wherever there's a vein and you can sense the obviously movement of blood, that will give you your pulse. After about a minute, what you want to do is record that measurement. So let's say that you acquired say a heart rate of 69 beats per minute. What you would want to do now is perform this again twice, okay? So you would have 3 measurements. So we might get on the second one, 71 beats per minute. And 68. Now after this, what you want to do is sum all of those. So you've got 69, you've got 71, and you've got 68. All you're going to do now is sum all of them and take an average of the 3. So you've got 9 plus 1, which is 10, plus 8 is 18, 1 there. So you've got 6 plus 6, that's 12. Add this 7 and that 1, that makes 20. So now you're dividing 208 by 3. So 3 cannot enter 2, so you put 0 above, 2 there, cross that 2 out. So this 2 now becomes a remainder, place it up there. Okay, what you want to do is see how many times 3 enters 20. Now 3 times 6 is 18, so you put the 6 up here, and we cross this out, and the remainder from 18 is 2. Okay? So now you want to check how many times 3 goes into 28. Alright, and so now what you want to do is see how many times 3 enters 28. Now, if you do 3 times 9, you get 27. You put 9 there, and put 0 there, cross this out. Now the remainder would be 1. Now this is a decimal point here, because that 0 there is not part of the 208. So you put a decimal point there. Now 3 enters 10, 3 times with remainder 1. So as soon as you've got one number after the first decimal point, I mean, that's sufficient enough. I mean, so now you've got a recording of 69.3 beats per minute. Okay, and that's pretty much how to calculate your heart rate.